Hey you, yeah, you with the super curious brain. Have you ever seen a chameleon change colors and thought, is that magic? Well, prepare your eyeballs for a color-shifting adventure, because today we're answering the big question, how do chameleons change color? Is it a spell, a rainbow smoothie, or maybe, just maybe, science? Let's zoom in on the star of our story, the chameleon. These wild little reptiles are the original masters of disguise. And no, they don't do it just to match your couch. They're changing colors for all sorts of super cool reasons. First, let's bust a myth like a science ninja. Ready? Chameleons do not change color to match every background. That's a Hollywood myth, like talking dogs or polite seagulls. Instead, they change color to communicate, to regulate their body temperature, and sometimes just to show off. You know, like that kid in school who wears glow-in-the-dark shoes in gym class. We see you, Brandon. So how do they do it? Well, let's peek under their skin, but not in a creepy way. Chameleons have special cells called iridophores. I know it sounds like a space alien's name. But stay with me. These iridophores are like layers of tiny mirrors made of crystals called guanine. When the chameleon is relaxed, these crystals are close together and reflect shorter light waves, like blues and greens. When the chameleon gets excited or stressed, the crystals spread apart and reflect longer light waves, like reds and yellows. It's like a living disco ball that can shuffle its mirrors. Can you imagine if you could turn red just by seeing your crush? Or go blue because your ice cream fell? Emotion-powered fashion, chameleons use their color-changing superpower in lots of ways. Want to look tough? Flash some dark colors. Feeling flirty? Show off those bright yellows. Need to warm up? Absorb more sunlight with darker skin. Cold-blooded creatures gotta work with the sun, baby. And yes, sometimes color changes are a love language. Male chameleons get extra bright to impress the ladies. It's like, hey girl, check out my stunning shade of lime green. But not all chameleons are flashy fashionistas. Some species don't change color much at all. Others, total drama queens. Scientists have discovered that the bigger the chameleon species, the more dramatic the color change. Size does matter in the chameleon world. But wait, let's go deeper into the science. How does light even make colors? Let's talk wavelengths. Light is made of waves, some short, some long. The short ones, blue and violet. The long ones, red and orange. When those iridophore crystals shift, they reflect different wavelengths. Boom! Color shift! So when you see a chameleon change color, you're actually seeing tiny crystals bending light like a science magician. But instead of a wand, it's their skin. Talk about built-in special effects. Now here's a wild twist. Scientists didn't even figure this out until recently. For years, people thought chameleons just moved pigment around in their skin, like little ink bladders. Gross, right? But nope, it's the mirror crystals doing their rainbow dance. Chameleons are so smart with their skin that engineers are trying to copy them. That's right, scientists are building color-changing clothes and screens that work just like a chameleon's skin. Future fashion is going to be lit, literally. And get this. Each chameleon species has its own color language. Some go from green to brown, others flash rainbow stripes. Imagine if you changed color based on your mood. You'd be a walking mood ring. Pop quiz. Can chameleons turn purple polka dot to match grandma's couch? Nope. Their color range depends on their skin structure. So while they can change colors, they can't go full Crayola box. Speaking of things chameleons can do, they've got crazy eyes that move in two directions. That helps them spot danger and lunch, aka bugs, from all angles. So basically, they're walking laser-eyed leaf ninjas. Pew damu pew! And don't even get me started on the tongue. Chameleons have rocket tongues. It's like a bug-snatching party popper. They shoot that tongue out faster than your brain can say, "Whoa, was that a tongue?" So to sum it all up, chameleons change color not by magic, but by science. Their special skin cells reflect light in different ways using teeny tiny crystals. They use it to communicate, stay warm, flirt, and look fabulous. Science fashion people. Now, whenever you see a chameleon showing off its shifting shades, remember, it's not pulling a Harry Potter trick. It's being a color-controlling wizard of wavelengths. Want to learn more weird wonders of nature? Hit that subscribe button like a chameleon grabbing a cricket. Smack! And don't miss our other wild science stories, like frogs that freeze themselves or octopuses with superpowers. Stay curious, stay colorful, and remember, if you ever feel invisible, you're just channeling your inner chameleon. Bye!